Hi, I'm an inventor. My name's Chris Gates, and I'm going to show you something you've never seen before. I know you've never seen it before because I invented it. It's called the Dynamic Bird Feeder, just like you see right here. It's got a hopper on the top and a wheel on the bottom. When the birds land on the wheel moves like this. Or like this. When the wheel moves, the seed is dispensed from right here. Here's one of the parts, right here. It's made out of plastic. I invented it, created it, designed it, made it in the garage myself. Pretty neat, huh?